The High Court has dismissed a petition seeking to legalize cannabis for religious use by members of the Rastafarian community. In a landmark ruling delivered by Justice Bahati Mwamuye, the court found that the petitioners failed to prove that Kenya's narcotics law violates their constitutional rights to freedom of religion, conscience and belief. The judge maintained that the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Control Act remains fully enforceable with no religious exemption for cannabis use. However, Justice Mwamuye encouraged a broader national conversation on the country's cannabis policy, noting that any future exemption would require firm constitutional and legal foundation.
Kwa sababu sisi Rasta ni watu ambao tulivu, huwa hatupendi fujo, hatukwenda barabarani kuandamana ama kutupa mawe ama kuchoma mali ya mtu. Tulikuja hapa mahakamani kutafuta justice.
Judgment so that you can be able to lodge the necessary notice of appeal. But for today, this marks just a minor setback in the journey by the people towards realization of their rights. We have received express instructions from our client, the Rastafari community, to move to the Court of Appeal. We will once again have an opportunity to interrogate the legality of these provisions that we are called to question.
That court, the Constitutional Court, is the last bastion, is the last, bastion of hope for the Rastafarian society of Kenya. It was hoped, against all hope, that that decision will free the Rastafarian society of Kenya from the stigmatization that it has experienced over the years.
The jurisprudence in this country is that this matter raises serious constitutional issues, and we are determined to get the final decision from the Supreme Court. In our instructions, we shall be seeking that the President of the Court of Appeal empanels this matter with 7 judges.